kids, in this video we are going to learn types of fish and their names. Puffer fish, toadfish, filefish, cowfish, mudskipper fish, shark fish, dolphin fish, whale fish, jellyfish, rare fish, porcupine fish, striped burfish, goliath fish, flounder fish, frog fish, alligator pipefish, shrimp fish, lobster fish, piranha fish, pike fish, walking catfish, sawfish, paddlefish, needlefish, ratfish, batfish, tigerfish, discus fish, goldfish, rabbit fish, blue tang fish, angel fish, claw trigger fish, snakehead fish, orange fin labial fish, trumpet fish, clownfish, spadefish, bala fish, piney eel fish, striped sailfish, swamfish, hillside fish, eelfish, tangra fish, babda fish, trigger fish, lionfish, velago fish, bassa fish, tuna fish, mackerel fish, dwarf gourami fish, gourami fish, cuttlefish, starfish, stinging catfish, climbing perch fish, flying fish, mandarin fish, Daniel fish, grass carp fish, rubber carp fish, zebra fish, rupchanda fish, tilapia fish, mrigar carp, golden mushy fish, cleaner was fish, knife fish, katla fish, ruhi fish, baramundi fish, fish. Trout fish.